I wasn't planning on doing an instructional video for this task, but I got into it and thought I wished there was a video with this information, so I'm making one. So this is a 2012 CRV. I'm changing the third brake light, and this particular car has the optional kind of spoiler. It's not quite a whale tail, which is removed. That's what these holes are for. So I'm changing the third brake light, and you do have to take the spoiler off. And then I was troubled to find that this plug didn't fit the brake light, the new replacement brake light. So all is not lost. I can show you what I found out. So what I found when I took the spoiler off, which was just these 3 bolts on the top, that's all that was holding it on, is, so there's a rubber boot in there, and then this plug, which fits the one on the car, obviously. Now, I'm not going to take it back apart to show you, but I can tell you that what's inside that rubber boot is a stock replacement taillight. I didn't think Honda would be speccing a different part number for the taillight on here. They're a sensible company, and I was right. So the third taillight is the same part that goes on the car without them, but it has this, you know, this essentially a little jumper wire in here, but it is. Anyway, just to let you know, if your CRV has this accessory tail on it, it does take the same taillight part. Just a couple other details about it, should they be helpful. You pry these caps off, you know, I just pry them up with I used a screwdriver. It's an old car. I don't care so much about the finish anymore. And interestingly, they have this heavy-duty Velcro that holds them in. This is the blank where I think you probably could put a stock taillight in here if you wanted to take the tail off. The other thing, so this is the one that came out. And these tabs, which are, you know, these tabs which lock it into the, you know, the factory, the standard way of mounting, these locking tabs come into play, but on the whale tail they didn't. The only thing holding it in is the 2 8mm screws. Anyway, like I said, wasn't planning on doing a full instructional video, but I felt like this information may be helpful to the dozen or so people who have this problem. All right, good luck.